Just like that, it does work though. Like, I just wanted to show you guys, it did work. We got unlimited money. We got everything unlocked in the Monopoly Go hack, and it's insane. What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to hack Monopoly Go so you can get unlimited free rolls, free dice, and you can pretty much win all of your games automatically with this hacked version of Monopoly Go that I'm going to show you guys in this video how to get. So basically, you can do this on iOS and Android. I'm just going to go ahead now and turn on my screen recording and show you guys how to do this. So screen recording should be live in 3, 2, 1. There we have it, guys. You guys should be able to see my iPhone screen right now. But yeah, like I said, this Monopoly Go hack does work for Android as well. So let's go ahead now and show you guys how to do this. So we're going to open up Monopoly Go, and this is the modded version that I'm going to show you guys all how to get here in this video. It's called Monopoly Go++. As you can see, Monopoly Go mod version 2.8, get unlimited money and more. So we're going to click OK and check this out. So as of now, this is the main mod menu, but there's also some other mods available in the settings. But if we go ahead and select one of them, for example, maxing out all levels, as you guys just saw, all levels have been maxed out. There's also the unlimited money option, so you guys can click that and watch what happens. So I'm going to click unlimited money, and it says adding unlimited money, and if you guys see in the top, my money is now 999,999,000,000. So guys, we literally have unlimited money and stuff like that. So it's insane, and it will never run out. And yeah, that's how you guys use the mod. Now I'm going to show you how to actually get this mod installed on your iOS and Android devices, so you guys can go ahead and get free rolls and unlock everything and everything else like that for free. So here we are, guys. What we have to do first is we just have to make sure that our device is compatible with the install. And for that, we're just gonna have to change like a few settings really quick on our iOS device. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this step, but on iOS you do. So what you guys are gonna do is scroll down a little bit and go down to battery, and then in battery you guys will just make sure that you have low power mode off. Then once you guys do that, you're gonna scroll up and go to general, and then in general you guys will scroll down and go to background app refresh. And just make sure you guys have this turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like how I have it right here. And once you guys do that, that is going to be all the settings that we have to change on our iOS devices. If you're on Android, you don't have to do that step. But then what we're going to do, guys, is go over to our browser here on our phone. And you're going to go right here, guys. You're going to go to this one, this place right here, Viva Helper. So yeah, you're going to want to go to vivahelper.com. So guys, this is where we're going to be able to get the Monopoly Go mod from. So let me go ahead now and just show you guys. So what we will do is go on over to search for apps, and you just type in Monopoly Go. Hold on a second, I'm spelling it wrong. There it is right there. Now if you don't want to spell it out and you're like lazy to type it or whatever, you can go over to I think it's mods. Yeah, click mods, and oh, it's not here. I think you have to go to games then. Yeah, there it is right there. You click games, and then you go to Monopoly. You click Monopoly Go++ from the list, just like that. And it will say get unlimited money, rolls, and more in Monopoly Go for free with this modded version. So we're going to click download now. And the download will start, as you guys can see. Alright, as you guys can see, it's finally going to load. And now it will say this website is trying to get a profile. Do you want to allow this? So what you guys will do now is click allow. And then it will say profile installed. We're going to click close, and we're going to exit out, and then we're going to go into our settings, and we're going to go over to you should see it in the top, it should say profile downloaded, and we're just going to install it just like that. And Monopoly Go++ is now on our phone, guys. When you do open it up for the first time, there might be like a quick verification that you guys have to complete. This is just to make sure that you're not like a robot or whatever. But yeah, it's super simple, and basically like you're just gonna have to get like 3 apps on your phone. There will be instructions in there, and it will tell you exactly what to do. But yeah, just go ahead and do like what it says, and you guys should be good. So thanks everybody for watching the video. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and enjoy your Monopoly Go hack, guys. Peace out. And wait, and yeah, just like that, it does work though. Like, I just wanted to show you guys it did work. We got unlimited money, we got everything unlocked in the Monopoly Go hack, and it's insane. So thanks everybody for watching the video, guys. Enjoy your Monopoly Go hack. Peace out.